Hello, I'm Mavis and welcome to my channel. Happy 2022, guys. So if you want to see how I achieve this style, please get on with the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I know I did this look last year, but I'm only posting it this year, but all the same, here it is. I pre-made these locks using scalp braids, using a different technique. So I just wanted them to look so natural. Yeah. As for my cornrows, I did two types of cornrows. I first did the half back part of my hair. I used the normal type, the normal way people just corner the hair, as you can see. And then on the front you'll see this type of corner that I did. Yeah, I did that so that it can become seamless, and I did not want it to be bulky. I did the other way of joining it till the back, and it was so bulky and I did not like it at all, so I decided to do this way. So as you can see, I am parting my hair, and then I'm gonna do a 3-strand like plaits or braid. Then you'll see how I join it to the next. So ideally, some people just part the next hair into two and continue plaiting like that, but I realized that it would become bulky, so I just did another 3-strand braid, and then I used my crochet hook to just pass the first braided hair into the other, and then I continue just cornrowing it. It gave me a much better sleek look. Then I go ahead and cornrow the hanging part to the braids at the back, to the corners at the back. So it was just that simple. So this is just a good basis for your crochet styles. They will make it look, especially crochet braid styles, just share it with your hairstylist, or this is actually a good way to just do something that looks real and that looks natural. Someone will like, wait, is this crochet? What is this? You know, pretty much that was it. And then we go into the installing part. So this is pretty straightforward. You know, you've watched 1,000 videos of crochet, but I'll still, do that tutorial for it. So it was pretty much very easy to just install the hair onto my hair. And yeah, less tension, easy hairstyle. You have access to your scalp, and that's pretty much it. Just simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And that was it. Yeah.